So I'm out litter collecting again, getting my exercise. I'm taking some nice videos. I'm also tidying other people's rubbish up. Plastic waste, as we all know, and we keep getting told, is really bad for the environment. Getting into the food chain. Microplastics are often in our system, we don't realise. So the more we can dispose of them, and I know a lot of them recycled now here in South Yorkshire, but some of it is burnt as well and used to provide fuel for municipal buildings. This is paper I'm picking up here. But yeah, feels good. Feels good to be able to do something while I'm enjoying this beautiful place and other people. And I'm not judging people at the end of the day. Children drop litter by accident. People drop litter. It blows in from other areas. It blows in from areas, but also there's a minority of people, as well as we probably all know, that haven't been taught to pick it up and take it home. So if you can promote it in just one person, and if everybody did that, then possibly the world would be a tidier place. Safer anyway. So the previous videos I put out, the close-ups, got some fantastic close-ups of cabbage white butterflies feeding and hoverflies feeding as well, the ladybirds. So I hope you've really enjoyed those. I know I have. Just doing the filming is just such a delight, real treat. So yeah, if you can, please like, subscribe and share the channel.